How does the inside of our GoCheap motorhome look like? Come and have a look. First thing that surprised us was how spacious it is. It comes equipped with a fully fledged kitchen and sink, so doing some masterclass dishes in here is a breeze. It has plenty of storage and 3 beds. Both of the tables can be set up as beds, but we just opted for the overhead one since it was just the 2 of us. Oh, and did we mention it comes with a shower as well? Perfect for rinsing off that salty water after having a dip. Us Europeans are not made for this Australian heat, so it's good we have an aircon for when we are plugged in the campsite to keep our RV nice and cool. We absolutely love GoCheap Motorhome. It enabled us to see much of the pristine nature that Australia has to offer.